Hello everyone, welcome back to NK Innovation. Today we will prepare Indian baby corn Manchurian. Without wasting your time, let's get started. To prepare this, we need 400 gram baby corn. Already I have chopped this one. According to your convenience, you can make the size. Now 5 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon plain flour maida, 1 tablespoon rice flour, half tablespoon chili powder. Chili powder according to your taste you can use. Half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon pepper powder, half tablespoon ajwain, salt as needed. Now I am using 1 spoon salt. All these ingredients we have to mix proper way. Meanwhile, how much water required we will use. We will mix this proper way. We will pour the water gradually, not at a time. Each and every ingredient has to mix together. Proper coat on the corn flour. We will coat all the ingredients on the baby corn nicely. It has to mix together proper way. We will heat oil in frying pan. Now we will check the oil. It is hot or not. It is ready to fry or not. We will put one toothpick and we will check. When bubbles are surrounding it, means it is ready to fry now. Now our oil is ready. So one by one we will put our mixed baby corn to fry. We have to deep fry this. Baby corn has fried nicely. So now we will prepare the sauce. To prepare sauce, first we pour 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in our frying pan. Now we will put half tablespoon kalonji, black cumin, half tablespoon grated ginger, one tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 medium onion chopped, now we will fry the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. 1/4 tablespoon salt. Now we will put chopped spring onion one by one. We will put in that to fry. This is chopped onion. Next, chopped capsicum. You can use more quantity of spring onion. This gives nice flavor. Grated carrot. This one I have grated one medium size of carrot. Now we will fry nicely this ingredients. Next we will put chili flakes. If you like more spicy, you can use more chili flakes. I have used 1 tablespoon. Now we will fry nicely. Vegetables are fried now. We will mix 1 tablespoon green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon chili vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you have at home. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. After soya sauce, we will mix 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. We will cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will mix corn flour paste, which one I have made with the 2 tablespoon corn flour with the water. This Manchurian I am making with the gravy. So we are mixing. If you wanted to make rice, no need to mix this corn flour paste. Our Manchurian gravy sauce is ready. Now we will mix with our fried corn. It is mixed now. We will mix now fresh coriander leaves. It is about 2 tablespoons. You can use more. We will mix nicely and let it be for 2 minutes to cook. It will mix proper way each other. Our Indian baby corn Manchurian is ready to eat. You must try at home. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want any recipe, kindly comment below. Thank you.